Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Love what you drive. We are here at Carlisle Ford Nationals 2024, and this is my friend AJ, and he's going to tell us about his car.
All right. Well, we got a 2004 Mercury Marauder here. It's got the Eaton Swap blower kit done to it. That was done by myself right in my driveway at home.
Okay. What year is this car?
This is a 2004.
04. You got the Eaton Swap. Okay.
It's got about 400 to the tires, about 10 pounds of boost.
400. That's the next question I was going to ask.
Yeah.
Man, this is very clean in here.
Thank you.
How long have you had this car?
I had this car about 5 years almost.
5 years. Is this your first Panther?
This is my fifth Panther, actually.
Fifth. What did you have before?
I actually had another Marauder before. I started with a Grand Marquis back when I was 16.
Okay.
And I had a couple Crown Vic Sports, so
you just kind of kept it in the family, huh?
I keep the same car. I like them. I know how they drive and how they handle and what to fix on them, so I stuck with them.
Okay. How many miles on this?
On this car, the body has about 150, but the drivetrain's got over 200, so
wow.
That actually came out of my old Marauder.
Yeah. And do you have any of those other cars or no?
I have a Crown Vic Sport right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. What are we doing for the wheel setup?
These are stock wheels. It's got the bigger brakes on it though. Custom calipers, say Marauder on them.
Yeah.
Bigger rotors, stainless lines.
Okay. I see not too many people drift away from getting aftermarket wheels on Marauders.
Right, now that's how you know it's a Marauder, really, by the wheels. You put anything else on, then they look like a Crown Vic. People don't know, they'll just call it a Crown Vic.
Yeah. But. Okay, I see the moldings are gone.
Moldings are gone. Car needed a paint job. I took them off and kind of liked them without it, so.
Yeah, this thing looks
kind of see
clean.
a little more of the car.
Yeah, it looks very clean without it. Anything else shaved off the body?
No, I think that's about it.
Just that. Okay, very clean paint. Is this original OEM paint?
No, it's been repainted.
What's the color name?
It's just black. Just that's all they.
Is that what Marauder names it?
Yeah, that's all they called it was black.
Okay. Yeah, so I pulled in earlier. You came a little bit later, yeah?
Yeah.
Where are you coming from?
Upstate New York.
Okay. How's the drive on this thing?
We trailered it. Didn't drive it this year. My buddy wanted to come, so I said, you know what, let's just trailer it.
Yeah. Do you take it to the track?
I haven't yet with the blower swap, so that's the next thing to do.
Okay. 400 to the wheels should be what? Where do you think it'll be at the track?
I'm hoping mid-12s. Should be right around there. Don't want to say low 12s because that's pretty quick, but it all depends. The day, the driver.
Yeah.
How nice the track is.
Okay. You take this thing to Cars and Coffee?
Haven't yet this year. Did a couple years ago.
Okay. What's one thing you don't like about this car?
One thing I don't like about it? Yeah, that's...
Is that kind of hard?
I don't know. I like everything about it, really.
Okay, what's one thing you like the most?
The comfort while you're driving it, really.
The comfort.
It feels like you're sitting at on the couch at home.
Yeah, it's still a Panther.
Yep.
Okay. Can we take a look inside?
Yeah, sure. It's probably not the cleanest, but...
Yeah, that's okay. It's a Marauder.
Yeah.
It doesn't need cleaning. It's still a Marauder. Okay.
It's got the triple pillar gauges there. The boost and air fill ratio.
Very nice. You got the CT tuner. Is that Marty tune?
Yes, sir. That's the only one that should tune these cars.
Yeah. Shout out to
Don't
Marty.
trust anybody else.
Yeah. Now, before the Marty tune, did you feel a big difference when you put it on?
When I got the tune first, yeah, oh, definitely, night and day.
Okay.
And then you throw the 410 gears in it, and it feels like the car lost 1,000 pounds.
You got 410s in here?
Yep.
Wow. Yeah.
And
so
it's got a 3,000 stall converter.
So this thing goes.
Oh yeah.
And I'm sure you're not thinking about the gas, huh?
No, you get smiles per gallon when you're driving these. You don't have to worry about the mileage.
It's very clean. Very clean in here. Any future plans besides where it's at?
They're not bad if you don't change
Yeah.
to 410s. If you keep the original gears,
Which is what?
355.
355s.
Keep the 355s, and then you do some power boosts on the engine. They're fast, but they still get like
Good.
still squeeze 24, 25 miles.
But they
per
say don't fear the gear.
gallon. No, I agree with you.
Yeah, the 410s definitely are up there.
Yeah.
They were designed to have 410s. They couldn't sell them with them because like you said, the gas mileage.
Nothing against the 410.
No.
Like, you can. I mean, Grand Marquis when they cut them off, they were getting into the 30 mile per gallon.
Yeah, they had 273 though.
Yeah.
They had
I have a Grand
they had
Marquis.
the lowest.
I get about 28 on the freeway, like a nice cruise.
Yeah, but it's no 10 mile per gallon.
No.
You know, 70s nightmare. You know, they're pretty good.
So yeah, any future things to do? Not really. Maybe I'll do the suspension and get the coilovers for the front.
Okay.
And, I don't know. I'm pretty happy and settled with where it's at.
It's reliable. It's quick.
Maybe in the long run we'll build the motor and put a Whipple on it. But
Yeah.
that's just another 10,000-15,000. So you gotta
Yeah. You gotta choose your battles, huh?
yeah, you gotta choose your battles with that.
Cool. Is this daily driven or no?
No, it's the Crown Vic that I got is my
Okay.
daily. This is just my pride and joy. I did everything to it myself.
Yeah.
So
This is your
besides
toy, huh?
paint the car, but
Yeah.
It's very nice, man. Is this
Yeah.
your first time at Carlisle?
this is my third time at Carlisle.
Third
Yep.
time. Okay.
Yeah, third time with this car.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, this year there's a lot of Marauders.
Last time I was here, it wasn't supercharged, so I
Okay.
made it a little different for this year.
I was here 2 years ago, first time, and the Marauders were a little bit
Yep,
up there.
I was here.
Yeah. Cool. Well, anything you want to say for the viewers?
If you haven't had one of these, you don't know anything about them, get one.
Get one.
And figure it out, because once you get one, there's no going back.
It's true.
So-
yeah, I think I had a ride in one Marauder before.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the channel, I did a review, but
Some people might think that's like, oh, it's just an old cop car, but I'll tell
so
you
much
what,
more
it
than
puts
that.
you in the seat.
it does. Yeah, I can only imagine with the supercharger. All right, AJ.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you, bro. I
Yeah, good
appreciate
talking
it.
to you.
Yep. Do you have Instagram?
Yeah, I have Instagram. It's A_to_the_J.
Okay.
I'm not really on any like Marauder page, I don't think, or anything.
Yeah.
But maybe someone has a picture of her somewhere. But
Okay. We'll
Do you,
link that in the description, your
yeah.
Instagram, and this video will be out sometime in the next week.
all right, cool. Thank you.
AJ, thanks,
All right,
man.
nice meeting you.
Yep.
They say don't fear the gear.
No, I agree with you.